Witness the intense power of elephants and the grace of giraffes in the wild savanna. In the heart of Africa's wild plains, these magnificent creatures display their strength and agility. Watch as the elephant uses its massive body to assert dominance while the giraffe remains agile and cautious. This extraordinary matchup showcases the beauty and brutality of nature. Both species play crucial roles in their ecosystem, contributing to the balance of the savanna. Join us as we explore more incredible wildlife encounters in the savanna.